Oh, hello, little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. Oh, good. So, what do you want to do today? Go to work? Teddy, you don't go to work. Make me breakfast, Teddy. Mummy and Daddy Bunny do that, not you. You are a teddy bear. You are for playing and snuggling with. I play with you during the day and snuggle up in bed at night. Hey, we can go outside together. I want to show you to my friend. Yes, my friend has a teddy bear too. We'll dance together and play together. And at night, we'll all go to sleep together. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.